خير children. Okay, مرحبا إلى الصف اللغة العربية لدراسة العربية. Welcome back to our Arabic class once again to learning Arabic language. Okay, in last class we studied about Nashidatul Wataniya, patriotic song. Okay, that I will ask you, Man anshada Nashidatul Wataniya fi taburi sabahi. Okay, very good. Okay, Atullab. Atullab means Astiqah Nabil anshada Nashidatul Wataniya fi taburi sabahi hubbul watani dinuna. After that, page number 29, I will read. Everyone look. انصرف الطابور بعد النشيدة الوطنية وسع المدرسون والمدرسات الحلويات بين الدارسين. انصرف الطابور is assembly dispersed. Insarafa means dispersed. Tabur assembly. Balda after. An-Nashidatul Wataniya after national anthem assembly was dispersed. Insarafa dispersed. Insarafa dispersed. Okay. Insarafa Tabur assembly was dispersed. Badan Nashidatul Wataniya after national anthem. The next وزع المدرسون والمدرسات حلويات بين الدارسين. Children, what is the meaning of halwa? Halwayat. Okay, that you can get easily. After disperse of assembly, then what we will do in Independence Day? Okay, seats. Okay, wazzaha. Okay, distributed. Okay, wazzaha al-mudarrisuna. Wazzaha means wazzaha distributed. Wazzaha al-mudarrisuna teachers. Al-mudarrisat is female teachers. Mudarrisuna male teachers. Mudarrisat female teachers. They distributed halwayat seats baina darisina among the students. Daris student. Okay, baina among means between. Baina darisina among the children, among the students, teachers distributed seats. Okay, I thought everyone understood our lesson. Okay, everyone study new word meaning this lesson. First new word meaning is, I will say, listen. Yawmul Istiqlal, Independence Day. Alamul Hinde, national flag. Alamul Hinde, national flag. Tabure, assembly. Then insarafa, dispersed. Wazzaha, distributed. Then next insafa means istafa, line up. Then Nadirul Madrasa, headmaster. Musallasul Alwan, tricolor. Okay, these words are very important in this lesson. Okay, then Libasul Madrasiya, school uniform. These words everyone study. Okay, then we can discuss exercise number 1. Okay, Nuhitu Kashfan Lizuma'ahil Arkatul Wataniya bin Kerala. Children, did you heard leaders of in Kerala about the movement? Okay, everyone write freedom fighters in Kerala. Name of freedom fighters in Kerala. First exercise, freedom fighters in Kerala. K. Kelappan, then Abdurrahman Sahib, Muhammad. There are many are there. Okay, then you can write in Arabic in NB notebook. Next, Nuhiddu Mudhakkiratan an tajribatina fi yawmil istiqlal. Everyone write diary means sentence, paragraph about your tajribat, your experience fi yawmil istiqlal in Independence Day. Okay, one example they wrote. The help of this word, everyone write. Okay, here about you on Independence Day. Here, listen. Rahabatu, I went ilal madrasati to school yawm day. Then here you can complete it. Okay, you can get easily if you studying our lesson. You can get easily. Okay. Then next, then Rahabatu, I will say meaning. Rahabatu, I went. Istafa, line up. Rafaha, raised. Wazaha, distributed. Anshadatu is song. Halamul Hind, Indian flag. Tabur Swabah, morning assembly. Yawmun Saeedun, happy day. Yawmul Istiklal, Independence Day. With the help of these words, everyone write a autograph, means a paragraph about you. Okay, next. So exercise 1 to 3 exercise. Like exercise 3. Nulahidu al-bitaqati wa nu'iddu mislaha. Nulahil, we can observe al-bitaqat, cards. Wa nu'iddu mislaha. Then we can prepare like this. Listen, 3 example they wrote. Ish saliman ya watani. Ish saliman ya watani. Long life my country. Long life my country. Ish saliman ya watani. Long life ya watani my country. Next, ma ahla yawmul istiqlal. What a wonderful Independence Day. Next, hubbul watani shiyamuna. That we studied. Okay, that song. Okay. Patriotism is our characteristics. Next one, 2 sentences also I will say. Listen here. Fakhuran bikauni Hindiyan. Fakhuran, write children. Fakhuran bikauni. Fakhuran bikauni Indian. Okay, proud to be an Indian. Proud. Okay, proud to be an Indian. Fakhuran means proud. Bikauni to be Indian and Indian. Proud to be an Indian. This also you can write any sentence, no problem. You can write a wonderful card, a greeting card with a colorful greeting card. You can make and write in that card any sentence. Any sentence means Ish saliman ya watani. Ma ahla yawmul istiqlal. Hubbul watani shiyamuna. Then fakhuran bikauni Hindiyan. One sentence. Okay. Kullu amin wa antum bi khair. Kullu amin. Kulli amin wa antum bi khair. Kullu amin wa antum bi khair. And one sentence, listen here. Anihan. Ani'an laka ya watani. Ani'an laka ya watani. Ani'an laka ya watani. Ani'an laka ya watani. A salute to the nation. Salute to the nation. This whole word you can select any words and you can write it. Okay. Then next, all of you write plural and singular. That textbook same that you copy to textbook. Utaf, utafat, mi'at, mi'at, za'im, zu'ama, rajul, rijal, amar, almar, hurr, ahrar, kawanil, kanun, juhud, juhd, kelimat, kelimat. This all of you, everything write in NB. Okay, I know need textbook. Everything write in NB. Okay, okay children, we can wind up the class. Okay, shukran.